Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about the employees menu and specifically the activity log. To get to the employees menu, make sure you go to the administration menu, click on employees, and now we're going to go to the activity log. What the activity log does is it provides you a breadcrumb trail of all of the electronic changes that have taken place within the software. So it's an activity log in that it shows you everything, every keystroke, or every time a post has been edited, then you will see that here. So let's just take the last week or two, and I want to view all records that have changed. And I hit search. You can see that who the person that was logged in. You can see what module it was at, what date and time it happened, what action was taken, what record number it was, what data set and form. Some of this can be a bit cryptic, but what this should be telling you is, let's take right here. That's email account. Let's go back a little bit and go to a work order. Here's a good one. So you can see here that there was a work order inserted. And what this information down here shows you is that this particular record, these were the fields that were altered. Here was the old value. In this case, it was nullified. There was nothing there. And then because this was an inserted record or a created record, it is now showing the new value, what went into those fields. And so you can now actually just see what records were edited. That's going to show you, instead of the inserted and created records, just going to limit you to seeing which ones were edited. You can actually view all deleted records over a given period of time. Here's one that was deleted. You can see how the old value goes from information in those fields to blank, which means that just indicates that it was deleted. In this case, that entire message was deleted. Or you can filter out to just inserted records. You can get even more specific by searching dates and looking at specific users, looking at specific modules. You can see codes, companies, cost centers, all of the modules. And then if you're even looking for a specific work order, employee number, you can use that as well. So there is a purge option here. We do not automatically purge anything, and there's really no reason to. We've only had a couple customers that their databases get so large and they're holding hundreds of sites in one database. Express Maintenance is not a very big system, doesn't take up a lot of space. And I would suggest, before you ever purge, contact us, and let's just make sure that, because when you do purge, it's going to permanently delete those records. And personally, and this is just my personal opinion, I don't see a good reason to ever really purge any data unless it is for auditing purposes. Like, you just don't want that data in there so that it can't be audited. That would be a vital reason. So that's the activity log. If you have any questions, please contact us at expressmaintenance.com or info@expressmaintenance.com. Take care.